Alright, here we go. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm here to show you guys the 7 essential things you need if you're starting in graphic design. Here we go. So, number 1 on this list, obvious, you need a laptop. Mine is a MacBook Pro, 13-inch, and you don't need this Mac. You don't need the Mac essentially. You don't need an Apple computer or not, but you do need a computer with a good graphics card, because essentially you're producing beautiful imagery, and that's part of your life. So that's just something you got to look forward to. And there are other brands out there like Lenovo, Dell, Samsung, which are great alternatives. Require some research. So number 2 on this list is you need an application. Some people use Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud. That's the one I personally use. It can run you about $50 a month. If you're a student, it can give you $30 a month, but there's alternatives out there like Affinity Pro Designer. Some people even use Clip Studio if you're an artist. It's a one-time payment. So, number 3 on this list. Storage. Lots of it. Whether it's a flash drive, any kind, or a hard drive, this is practically your lifestyle. Everything, your entire body of work is in one of these. And it's very important to get into the habit of saving your files and being organized with your files, because I can't tell you more than once of looking through files from clients that you had years ago, and thanks to these bad boys, you're in luck and it stays in place. Part 3A, exactly, because the Apple or other computers, you need some type of USB-C ports for your USBs and your thumb drives. So they come in handy. This is an Apple one, pretty expensive, but you can find cheaper alternatives with more hubs on Amazon or any other store you go to, Best Buy, etc. So number 4 on the list, you need a tablet. It could be an iPad, it could be an alternative tablet. Some people use Wacom. Mine, I use XP Pen. And the tablet, you need a tablet because essentially you're going to be photo retouching. You're going to be on Photoshop a lot. It helps out. It makes the process a lot smoother. I personally use my tablet, which I connect to my computer. It's a cheap alternative as a way to just produce my art, my digital art, and a way to just, it's a lot easier than using a mouse, let's just say that. So, number 5 on the list, you need, you guessed, your phone, a cell phone. And a cell phone is important because that's how you're gonna basically contact your clients, through emails or promoting your portfolio on social media, or just looking through the news and just seeing what's there for you, or getting in contact with potential clients from the future. You never know. All right, number 6 on the list. You didn't see that. A sketchbook or a notebook, your preference. Or a pad, doesn't matter. So the reason you need a notebook or a sketchbook is you need to jot down your ideas. You need essentially to just have something to have written down, because I can't tell you many times where I personally have a perfect idea for, let's say, a logo or a layout or a wireframe for my web design, and you just lose the idea when you're starting out the process. And it's a nice way to just get your thoughts together and just have everything aligned before you even start the application. So that leads to number 7 on the list, a book bag, a good quality book bag. Mine is just a cheap book bag from Herschel. It's sturdy. You just need a book bag that can protect your stuff from the rain. You're carrying a lot of electronics. You don't want none of that to get messed up. Something with good cushion on it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's a quick extra bonus. You guys need a power bank. Now, a power bank is important because you never know when your phone dies or when your tablet dies, and you just need something to just plug it in on the go and just have some extra juice so you can produce more work, or to have another phone call, or etc. So guys, that's basically my 7 essentials if you're starting for graphic design. If you're interested to see some of my portfolio, the links will be down below. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.